Okay, welcome once again. Good evening. Welcome to this uh, amazing and beautiful channel whereby you learn more if you log in. So today I'm going to be narrating for you guys some of the common terminologies used in PowerPoint. So definitely let me open my PowerPoint and show you what some of the terminologies are. Then we'll get to know more on those terminology. So I'm going to open it using a browser. So you're seeing on the screen uh, the PowerPoint presentation. So the first one, you're having a slide. Uh, a slide is like a single page on a screen in a presentation. So like what you're seeing here is what we call a slide, but it depends on the type of slide that you want. Because like here, if you want to add another slide, it's going to bring option like title slides, like if you want a slide that contain on a title, and the second one is saying like title and a content. If you want a title and a content, then you will choose section header to content comparison title only. So it depends. So that is what a slide is all about. So a slide is like a single page on the screen in a presentation. So what you're seeing is a slide. So we're having slide one, slide two, then the second slide. So that is all about slide. Then we have a slide master. A slide master is like a template that defines the layout and design for the slides in the presentation. So from here, like my slide two is the one that is a slide master. So a slide master is a template that defines the layout and the design for slide in a presentation. So as you go through your presentation, a slide master like contains how your layout of the slide is going to be, or the layout of your presentation. Like in this very one I'm talking about is all about communication. So there you see the master slide is containing like the definition of communication, type of communication, level of communication, then the process of communication. So that is all about a slide. Then what we're having themes. Theme is a predefined set of colors, fonts, and effects that gives consistent look to the presentation. So theme is all about the colors or the font size you will choose when you're writing your maybe in slide one you are writing your personal information, or let's assume you are the presenter and you're writing your personal information. You will choose the colors you want to use. So that is all about themes. Then you have layout. Layout is the arrangement of content on a slide, including placeholders for text, images, and other elements. So that is all about layout. It's like if you want maybe to insert maybe like a picture. So basically, that is all about layout. So layout is basically the arrangement of content on a slide, including placeholders for text, images, and other elements. So it's like I want to maybe insert some photos. So photos, they all about what? Follow on layout, how you insert text, how you insert images. So I want to, yeah, so we are talking about communication. So I want to insert something concerning communication, right? So I will choose this one, then I insert. This one is like you're doing your layout. So what I've done, I've inserted pictures based on communication. So let me first try to just reduce the what the size, because the size is too big. So let me just reduce the size. I think that one shoot it better. I'll try removing it upward a bit. So that is like the layout of your presentation. Like this one, we are talking about communication. So basically, that is how you do your layout, how you insert the text, and how you insert what? You insert your you insert like maybe a photo or a text in a box. It's like you're doing your layout. So that is basically about what? inserting a text. Then we have what? A placeholder. A placeholder is like a box on a slide that holds content. For example, a text, images, and charts. So this one is like this box you're seeing, the one on the screen, is what we call a placeholder. We're inserting a text or maybe we're holding our images. So that is all about the placeholder. Then the next one we're having transition. Transition is like is some kind of uh, it happen like a magic when you apply to maybe to a specific slide. Maybe on your presentation now on a slideshow, how you display your information or how you do your thing to the audience. Uh, how your things is going to be flowing, maybe in some kind of artwork or maybe it's some kind of presentation. That is how your thing is going to look like. So these are the transition we are talking about. So let me first try to choose one of the slide, then I try to apply. So we have so many transition that you can apply in your in your slide. So let me first try choosing them. We go by this one split. So we try. So you're seeing there's a star here, which means it is indicating that you have inserted some transition in your presentation. So that is all about transition. Transition is like an animation effect that occurs when moving from one slide to another. So during your presentation or during your slideshow, that is how your slide is going to be appearing. Then we have animation. Animation and transition, they are not that different. They are somehow close. It's transition and animation, they are like sisters and brothers. So all of them is all about effects that can be applied to individual element on the slide. For example, making text appear and disappear. So what I've demonstrated previously is all about disappearance of text and disappearance of images. So that is all about animation. Then we have presentation view. Presentation view is like a mode that allows the presenters to see notes and upcoming slides while the audience only sees only the current slide. So it's all about the presenter to do the thing, then the audience just wait for what is going to come out of the presentation. So presenter view is all about the action of the presenter. The audience just wait for what is going to come out from the presenter. Then we have a slideshow. A slideshow is like a presentation of slides display to an audience. So what do you have a slideshow? Slideshow is here. So a slideshow is like your presentation. So we're going to see what is going to happen to the slides. So they have given options. Do you want your slideshow to start from the current or from the beginning? Then you can choose any of that one. Then it's going to it's still loading. So a slideshow is like yeah, this one is the first slide. Then this one is a current slide. So you have seen what has happened. The transition that I've inserted previously is the one current. So this one is the first slide. This one is the second slide. So that is all about what it's all about slide what slideshow. So those are the example of some of the terminologies that I wanted to share with you guys. So it's very beautiful to know more on how to use PowerPoint so that when you got some or you get some task given to you, maybe let me say you are working in any of the institutions, you'll be in position to do this thing quickly because you have the knowledge and you have everything. So thank you for logging in and thank you for watching and thank you for sparing your time. You watch and then you share with your friend, you give a like and you comment, you subscribe. So thank you for logging in. I I hope to meet you guys very soon for the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.